Hey guys, welcome to my hairstyle. Welcome to my first hairstyle.
Hi guys! Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back for another hair tutorial on my channel. Today is video 1 of our new segment. Let me go ahead and open this for her really quickly. So this is going to be a video 1 hair tutorial on our natural hair. So I'm rocking my natural hair today as well, and I've been experimenting during quarantine on some different hairstyles with her. This is a signature go-to hairstyle for me. I feel like it's cute, it's age appropriate, and it's simple and easy. Typically it takes me like 10-15 minutes when I do it in the bathroom over the sink, but I kind of got jazzy and kind of brought the new salon chair that Babe got for us, because he's been getting his haircuts done in the house too. But we're gonna jump right into it. So for today's video, we're gonna be doing 2 ponytails, and you'll see how I go from 2 ponytails to 2 space buns. I did jazz it up with our signature baby hair. We love baby hair in this house, don't we? And a little bit of sideburn action, and I also did something fun in the back, which was super easy. So hopefully you'll be able to follow along. Make sure you're subscribed. Tell me, like, please subscribe.
Please subscribe. To me. Hi.
Jumping right into the tutorial, we're going to start off with some good old H2O. I'll have the spray bottle linked down below. This one doesn't like shoot her with water like the weird cheap ones from Target. She does not like getting her hair done, so I like to make it as comfortable and easy as possible. Once the hair is a little bit damp, I go in with a moisturizing cream. This one here is our favorite, or really her hair's favorite. I've tried so many, every kids line there is, I've tried the moisturizing creams, and this one doesn't leave white residue. It just leaves her hair super moisturized. Her hair drinks it up and absorbs it. You'll see I'll use so much in this video, and she gets the best results with this one. Also, when her hair first started to grow, maybe about a year ago, it was when I first started using this moisturizing cream, so I think it had a little bit to do with it. I'm not gonna say it was absolutely what grew her hair out, but again, this is just what looks best on her hair. Also, parting is extremely important. Kids do not like getting their hair parted. It hurts the most, especially if the hair is not detangled. Even when her hair is detangled, she will jump. So she did amazing in this video. She was showing out for you guys, because usually she's kicking, screaming, and crying no matter how little I part her hair or how much I part her hair. As you guys see how she rubbed her hair, she loves to feel her hair hanging down, which is why I've been loving to do braids on her hair. We've been experimenting with different braids, so of course you guys will see those tutorials coming up soon. What I'm applying now is a pomade. It's not an edge control, it's not a gel, it's a pomade, and this is what I like to use in her hair. She just turned 3 a week ago today, so I have not really used gel in her hair per se yet. I will be trying some soon. I think, you know, her hair is strong enough and prepared and ready for it now, but edge control will be flaky and when I use it in her hair like this. Gel, again, I have not used yet, but the pomade works amazing. Also, when it comes to the pomade, I've tried a couple different brands, and this one again is what I like and what works for her hair the best. And when I say what works for her hair, it slicks her hair down. It gives me a smooth, sleek finish like I like, and there is no residue. So some of the kids lines that I've tried, and you know, some of the stuff you find in like Sally's and stuff I've tried, it'll leave it like cakey, it'll have that whiteness, it'll have the crunchiness. There's different things that I don't like about, you know, different other brands, and I find to have the best results with this one. So of course I'll have it linked down below. So when you see the end result of this hairstyle, it looks like you did a whole lot, but honestly it's just 2 very low ponytails. The key to it is just to make sure that the parting is nice and neat, and you're good to go. At the end, we're going to do some 2-strand twist. I like it when the hair is nice and moisturized and wet and juicy. It literally just makes a huge difference in making the hair look super healthy and juicy. Now keep in mind, her hair was dirty for this tutorial. I was planning to do the braids for you guys, but I was like, you know, I've been procrastinating literally for a year on starting a hair journey with her on this channel, and I literally just was like, you know what, let's just do something today to get us started, because you know, you procrastinate when it's just like, just start. So for this part here, we're just going to do, again, 2 high ponytails. If you don't want the little design in the back, you just skip that step and put all the hair up into this one ponytail. I made sure the hair was wet with water. I moisturized it very well with the moisturizing cream I showed you guys before. I kind of just smooth it out with my hands. I do also use a brush, but she doesn't like the brush. It kind of makes her, you know, irritated no matter how soft I do it. So I kind of just, you know, do this kind of motion here where I kind of just like work it and smooth it out as best I can, and then where I need to, I'll kind of sleek it at the end with the brush. And then I'll go in and, you know, add the ponytail holder. The ponytail holders I'm using here are the ouchless ones from, you know, your regular Target. They have thicker ones and thinner ones. I typically buy both. The thicker ones I like most because they're easier to take out without snagging her hair once I'm done with the hairstyle. Okay, so now we're on to our last ponytail. You guys see I use a generous amount of this product. Her hair is nice and full and thick, so I like to make sure it's always moisturized. Her scalp gets dry year around, so again, just making sure everything is nice and moisturized. If you want a little bit of oil on the scalp, that will work as well. Honestly, when I oil her scalp right before I do this hairstyle, it will kind of ruin the hairstyle. It won't stay sleek. It'll kind of get frizzy faster, to be honest. So I usually will moisturize or oil her scalp at nighttime instead of daytime, because the oil does interfere with the hairstyle when you want it to be sleek. Just my opinion. And you guys see there, I kind of went in with the brush. Like I said before, I like to use the brush as little as I can. I used to use it a lot, but again, I'm starting to try to focus a little bit more on healthy hair care and, you know, just kind of learning from my own mistakes and making sure that I'm keeping her hair hydrated, moisturized, and, you know, as low manipulation as possible when it comes to like brushes and things like that. So here you can see all I'm doing is just adding those little low ponytails into the top ponytails. The difference is the low ones, I'm kind of crossing them, so one on one side and the other on the opposite side, and it makes for a cool, simple design. This hairstyle is definitely age appropriate. You can add some cute little clips or bows to jazz it up even more. I'm gonna go in and do some baby hair. Like, a hairstyle is just not a hairstyle without baby hair for me, and that's just personal preference, so you can definitely skip this step if you want to, but again, I love baby hair. So this here is actually an edge control. What I use for the hair is a pomade. This is an edge control. Two different things. I've tried many different edge controls, including the one from Lotta Body and so many others, and this one works best. It doesn't flake up. I also like mousse in her hair on her hairline, but that just doesn't have a great hold to it. This one will form the baby hair, hold the baby hair in place for as long as it can, and then once it gives up and gives out, the hair will still remain like in a baby hair shape. So this is the look here, and I absolutely love the way it came out. Super age appropriate, yet I didn't have to do all the like barrettes and bows and all that, but of course you can add them if you want. Be sure to keep the hair detangled. I did not do that step in this video, and I probably will almost never do it. She doesn't feel comfortable when I detangle her hair, so I don't want to show her in that state, but hopefully you guys enjoyed.
Okay, so we're all done with her hair, and this is the way it came out. It's super simple, super sleek. It typically takes me a good 10 to 15 minutes to do this when I do it each day. We kind of did it a little bit extra for you guys today, so it may have taken a few more minutes, but I'm also able at night to go in with a scarf. You guys know I'm here for my scarves. So when I do her hair like in the morning and we have somewhere to be, I'll lightly just put a scarf and cover it as much as I can, and I'll kind of just keep it wrapped until it's time to go. Sometimes if I know we're going like on a long car ride, I'll just leave it like wrapped like this while we are in the car. That way it can be as neat as possible once we get to our destination. Even at nighttime she does wear a bonnet, but if I want the style to stay nice, I'll kind of put a scarf underneath the bonnet. And as you see, I didn't even wrap it too tight. I just don't want her to, you know, mess it up. But most days, day to day, she really doesn't use or wear a scarf like immediately after I do her hair. Now this part here was just a cool little design I decided to do at the very last minute. Also, she has baby hairs in the back, so you know, when you do two space buns up top, it kind of gets frizzy and messy in the back. So me doing this back here allows it to kind of be neat back here all day.
Thank you for watching.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what styles you want to see from us. I'm going to do the lemonade braids for you guys that I've done with her. I'm going to do her wash day. I'm going to do her bantu knots for you guys. I'm going to do a ton of different videos featuring her hair on this channel. So just let me know which ones you want to see next and what your suggestions are. I am on a hair journey with her. I do want to grow her hair out, you know, naturally. It's pretty thick, as you guys can see, and it's also long. She's just turned 3 like 3 days ago, so her hair is very thick, full, and healthy for her age. But of course, I just want to be all about natural hair care and teaching her to love and embrace her hair, right?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Say thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Also subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, hit the thumbs up button, hit all those buttons I can say, and hit the subscription button and the bell button.
This candy tastes like blueberries.
Sometimes I forget your stitches, the baby. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
I'm not